Iacocca employment rules.
Why does that manager keep asking others to take the lead?
Because managing is not about doing every task yourself.
A strong manager gets results by motivating, coordinating, and helping people succeed.
Heroics are less useful than building a team that can move.
Management is mainly about getting work done through people. Support, motivation, and coordination matter more than personal showmanship. Latour's law.
The snack tastes great, but that awkward name makes nobody pick it up.
Names matter more than people admit.
Yes, but only to a point. A clever name still cannot rescue a weak product.
The best case is both. Something good and a name people can remember.
Naming affects how easily people notice and remember a product. But branding cannot fully compensate for something that is not worth buying. Runyon's law.
Everyone said the stronger team would win, but they lost.
Favorites lose all the time.
Real outcomes depend on timing, effort, conditions, and luck too.
The obvious winner is only obvious before the game starts. Being favored does not guarantee victory. Results stay uncertain because many factors can shift the outcome. Seesaw effect.
Why did those two friends drift apart?
One kept taking help and never giving any back.
Relationships need some balance, like a seesaw.
If one side only takes, the other side eventually gets tired.
Healthy relationships usually involve fair give and take. When the exchange stays one-sided, the bond weakens. Antaeus Effect.
That founder got weaker after he stopped visiting customers and frontline staff.
So, he lost contact with the source of his strength?
Exactly. Some power comes from staying rooted in reality.
When leaders float too far above the ground, they often lose force.
Strength is not always self-contained. People and organizations often draw energy from roots like customers, teams, and daily reality. Amino acid combination effect.
The project had money, design, and marketing, but it still failed.
Because it never had a reliable engineer to build the core piece.
Most ingredients were there, but one essential part was missing.
A chain does not work just because most of the links are strong.
Some systems need every critical component to function well. If one required part is missing, the whole result can collapse. Mushroom management laws.
The new hires get no context, boring tasks, and no guidance.
That is a bad way to grow people.
Some workplaces treat juniors like mushrooms, keep them in the dark, and hope they somehow flourish.
A little struggle can teach, but neglect usually crushes motivation.
This rule criticizes management that withholds information and support from newcomers. People usually grow better with guidance than with confusion alone. Not worth the law.
The team spent 3 days polishing a feature nobody uses.
Then they polished the wrong thing.
Doing a useless task beautifully is still wasted effort.
First ask whether the work matters at all.
Quality matters, but value comes first. If a task is not worth doing it well does not save it. Bell effect.
I pictured myself landing the routine cleanly before practice.
And did it help?
It made me calmer and more confident.
Mental rehearsal can support action, but you still need real training. Visualizing success can strengthen confidence and focus. It helps most when it supports practice instead of replacing it. Bowling ball effect.
The coach told me, "You hit 8 pins, not you missed 2.
Same result, different feeling.
Positive framing can keep effort moving.
Honest encouragement often motivates better than fixating on the miss.
How feedback is framed affects how people receive it. Focusing on what went right can energize improvement without hiding the truth.